Okay, Cole. This family is pretty good, but it's real big and heavy, and we normally don't want to deal with that, but it's a little, it might be within our range, but I'm going to show you this, how to test this stuff out before you send it out. So this is what I normally do. I got this file open over here, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to load this into the project. Let's see, try that again. Nope, cancel. I just want to load it into the project here. Now it should be in there. Don't see it. I'm going to place component. And I'm going to place on a work plane. So there's the family you created in the model. Now I can see a lot of red flags here, no connectors, and it's in the wrong category because it's grayed out. Normally what they're going to use in cable tray project file is going to be a systems template or electrical template. So I'm going to just, I can't even touch that, see? So we got to do some work over here. So I'm going to just undo this. Okay, now over here, first thing we want to do is, in the Create tab, we want to put it in the right category. And that's going to be cable tray fittings. Okay, so we're going to say, I'm going to remove the constraints you got in here. And then here, we definitely need this, the Omni code. So we go down here to electrical power, distribution devices, conduit, wireways, and ducts. And we'll select cable tray and horizontal racks. Okay, so that's there. Now, normally I wouldn't use this file because it's really big, all the detail you got in there, but anyway, let's fix this up so it'll work in our model. So this is what you want to do. Go to your reference level. See, we need connectors here. There are no connectors to run the cable tray. So let's go into our reference level. Now, okay, so you got a lot of nice parameters in here. It's good. So now what we want to do here is, I'm going to see if I can flex this thing. Let's go to a, we're in 100, let's go to a 225. Okay, pretty good. But it looks kind of funny there. Something broke. So I'm going to undo this. Let me see. Let me look at this in 3D. Not bad. Pretty good. But anyway, let's go back. And let's fix this baby up and add connectors so it'll work in our project file environment. So we'll go back to the reference level here. And now here you want to create an extrusion to add your cable tray connectors. So I'm going to just do the pick line. Then I'm going to go around the edges here. Just the outside edges here and here. And then across here I want to just draw a line. Do a line there. This is probably going to be a one-off one because I'm not, well, it may flex, but I'm not going to worry about that. I just want you to see how to make the connectors. Now, you've got your extrusion in, so once we've got it drawn, you want to create extrusion, and then let's go down into a front view. And now let's go find that extrusion we created, which is right there. Now you should have a height on here somewhere. Not there. Is it right here? Okay. So we got front, left, right. Let's see them back. Okay, let me change. This is, okay, well, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to this view. Let me grab this extrusion. And I want to align it to this point right here. I'm going to align this to there and lock it. Now, let's go into our 3D view. So there's our extrusion in that piece. So now once you do that, you want to grab this guy and go to visibility settings and untick coarse and fine. We just want that showing the medium and hit OK. Okay, now we want to add connectors. So we're going to create cable tray connector, go to this face. Now we want to associate these heights and widths to one of your parameters. So I don't know which one you use. So let me see here. I'm going to guess it's one of these. I'm going to guess it's that one. Nope, that's not that one. Let's say base width. That one looks right for the width, but it's actually height. This one, I'm going to go with width again. Okay, that one's okay. So then let's go over here and do one here. Create cable tray connector. Tab to the face. Same thing here. Create cable tray connector. You want to associate this height over here in the properties. So I think we went with this one. And I'm going to go with this same one, but we need to find out which is the right one. I'm just going that route because it's going to give me that shape. And I don't know if this height's going to change, but it's got to be, it's probably a parameter in there that you know that associate with the height. So right now I'm just trying to get connectors in and show you how to do this. So we're going to go with cable tray connector again. Tab here. Go back over here, grab this guy. Edit type. I'm going to see something here. Vertical arm, leg length, leg width. Let me just see something here, what you got here. That might be it. No, but I'm going to just go with the one I've been using just to get this done. Okay, now with the width, I want to go same thing here. Now, we'll go and do this last one here. Now, make this extrusion here so we can get the connectors in. The conduit, the cable tray connectors. Create cable tray connector. And tab to this. I don't know, I think we did. I might have showed, I think I showed us how to do this at one point. But Chris is not getting it right either. I'm going to do one of his next after this one. Okay, now there's our family. Now when I see this guy, if I don't see these connectors on, that's a red flag. Now let's load this one into the project and test it out. So you got to always test these guys. So I'm going to load into project. I'm going to overwrite the one I had in here because it's still sitting there. And this is the problem, it's such a big file. Whew, wow. This is what I don't like about these. Let me see, wait a minute. I'm gonna place on the work plane. And there it is. Now, as you can see now, it's the right shade and shadow color. And now I've got my connectors on here, and I can go right click, draw my cable tray. So that's what you got to do here. Now this one, I'm not worried about it flexing. We might have to make these one-offs because I have to test one out, but this is what you need to do to these. So you need to go in here and do what I did over here for each one and test your work. I mean, the cable family is good. It's a bit on the heavy side, but now it works. So I'm gonna draw that cable tray. And there you go. So have a look at that. Do it like I did here. I did a few of yours. I'm doing this on my home computer. This is in 2020. So, but that's how it needs to be. All right. Talk to you later, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.